Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 23. Again you guys, I cannot believe we are almost there. Thank you so much for helping me throughout this journey for COOKMAS. Totally appreciate it. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make an oldie but goodie. This was actually one of my first shorts that I put on my channel when I was Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes in the very beginning. We're going to go ahead and make some delicious Christmas crack. So this Christmas crack is very easy to make, and it's going to taste and look like you spent so much time on this delicious little snack, and you won't believe the ingredients that go into this. So hopefully you guys are ready for this quick and easy recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, COOKMAS is just around the corner. Go ahead and give me that present by hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so this is the finished product for the Christmas crack. It's a quick and easy recipe, but it's very tasty. You got delicious flavors with that butter and the chocolate and then the cracker. It adds a nice element and brings everything together for the perfect little bite. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried the Christmas crack before. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified that every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care, thanks for watching, and happy holidays. Bye guys.
Wake up and bake up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my reel. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping.